Also has a qualified many competitive exams like CAT and XAT, and he was also a part of international immersion program from the Hong Kong Polytechnic University, Hong Kong. Sir also has an experience of working with top MNCs of India as financial analyst to improve his management skills and with various NGOs as a teacher. Sir is currently leveraging his knowledge and expertise into a role as a teacher. Now, I would like to hand over the portal to Sir to begin with the webinar. Over to you, Sir.
Okay, thank you so much for the introduction. I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
sir, we can hear you.
And I think the screen is visible.
Yes, sir, the screen is visible.
Okay, so I'll just start. I think the video option will be shared when I stop sharing in this, right? Yes,
So,
Isha.
do you want
Yes,
to show
sir.
some video?
No, it's fine. I just wanted to see if like I am visible to the students. Okay, otherwise I think till the screen is visible with the I think the Word file, I think I won't be able to show myself, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, okay. Let's start then. It's fine. And okay, I think everyone is here. So good afternoon all.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon.
Okay, I think everyone can unmute also at the time. So let it be more interactive as a session. So the topic today is how to build your profile for MBA during graduation. So I think this is a very relevant topic since I think most of you are already in this particular area. So how many of you are actually aiming for MBA? Anyone who there might be many people who are still confused about it, but how many of you actually are on the path of an MBA?
Students are raising hand and there are a number of hands being raised.
Okay, yeah. So I'll just see the conversation also. I think, okay, so you're raising hands accordingly. Okay, guys. Okay, so anyone would like to tell me, you can unmute and tell me, like, what is kind of preparation? Have you seen any MBA paper till now? Or have you like gone through anything like related to MBA? What do you think? What is the pre-mindset? I just want to know. Anyone who can tell me like what knowledge you have till now so that we can move accordingly. Okay, you can write on the chat box also, guys, if you are comfortable like that. Okay, so let's begin. Let's crack the ice first. I think most of you are shy around. So let's see the overview. What needs to be done? Okay, firstly, if you're actually willing to go for an MBA, firstly you have to definitely explore whether is it worth it. What do you want to do? Why you want to go for an MBA or any related exam? It's not just about MBA. So there's the exams like CAT and all. Then there are exams like GMAT and all. So plus many people want to go for a SSC role or a bank PO role. So there are a lot of different areas. And also if you directly want to go into a job, so you have to first explore which field you are actually wanting. So how many of you have gone through this step or are under this in this particular area? Just anyone? Okay, so that is, I think, one area that we need to explore the things why an MBA is required. After that, obviously, we'll go for an aptitude training. Okay, then if you are aiming for anything, like accordingly, you can go for aptitude training depending on that. Now, this is very important. Aptitude training is also built in your college. Okay, so that is something that we really need to take our lectures seriously, and the case study and the group task one. Now, this is something that I think not all of you might be taking like you might not be participating in this. But the case studies are really crucial for your MBA days, as important as the self development, because at the end your profile is not only going to matter on how well you score in your CAT or any related exam. It completely depends on your past, how good you have been throughout your school days or your college days, and also the part where your overall work, like the projects you have made and everything. So how many of you are actually working on your profile? Just want to know that. Yes, guys. Anyone who has started working on their profile, you can unmute yourself, right, guys? Okay, so I think I got some hands raised. Okay. Yes, using the chat box, can you tell me what is the process that you have gone through? What kind of projects are you undergoing? I just want to know what basics are you doing? Any internships that you're going through or projects that you've gone through in the recent past? Anyone? Ma'am, they can unmute themselves, right?
Yes, sir, they can.
Okay, they can. Okay, so anyone like take an initiative, guys? I think let's make it more interactive. Anyone who has gone through a case study before? Because I wanted to practice a case study with you guys because that is very relevant in your MBA days. And if I'm like trying to build a profile, so it is not only about writing or like doing stuff, it's also about your personality, overall personality. So I wanted to see how your mind works in any case study or any internship or project days. So should we go ahead with a case study? Just give me a yes or something like I should be able to see on the screen.
Yes,
Those
sir.
who those
Yes,
who
sir.
say yes, go
Yes.
with case study, they can raise their hands as well to show their consent.
Okay, good. So I think there are a lot of many of you. So what we need to do, I'll give you a particular case just to assess like how far we have to move in this direction. And I need you all, once you read the case, please make sure that let it be more interactive. You can speak on the mic with each other, you all are friends and all, so that doesn't matter. So let me give you a case first. Let's break the ice. I think there's a lot of okay, so it's a very simple case. So you can read this. This is also given in many GMAT based colleges if you're going abroad for an MBA. If you're in India, you will get it in IIMs. So let's see if you can do this particular case. Just read this. Now, what you are like the management of this particular company. So you have to tell me what you should do as a management. Please read the case. Then we'll discuss further. Okay, so what you need to do out here, you are the management of this particular company, you all. So you have to discuss amongst yourself. I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes. What you can do, you have to discuss among yourself. So unmute your mics, speak on it. What do you think should be the management's decision? What your approach is? So I'll judge you based on that. So let's see how many of you actually participate well in this. So I would really appreciate if you can participate. Just be open up. Just open up. It's fine.
Uh, Good morning, sir. I think
On.
the management should give him a strict warning and ask the reason why he has done so.
Good. Okay. I think this is Ashni and Divyam.
Good,
Divyam, sir.
Divyam. Good. Okay. So
good
others,
afternoon,
anyone
Good
who
sir.
morning,
agree?
sir.
Sir, I
Yes, sir,
think.
I agree.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, I think, sir, I
Sir,
think
I
I
don't
will
agree with
talk with
him.
the, I
Okay.
will
One of
talk
Yeah, I
with
think I
this
must.
particular employee. I will have a discussion with the particular situation with him, and I believe that he will tell the truth because he has been the most efficient worker in the job. So I will have a talk with him, a good discussion with him.
okay, Kamalpreet. Okay, that's another. Anyone who's supporting either view, Divyam's or Kamalpreet. Like Kamalpreet's also mentioned the similar thing. So anyone who would like to continue or any different view.
Yes, sir. I also believe that seeing the efficiency of the person, first we should ask the reason and give a warning. But if he repeats, then a strict action is required.
Okay. Any other
Yes,
views?
sir, I think so. I think the
Same,
same.
yes.
Okay, so as a team, you can discuss amongst yourself. I will stay out of it for a minute. आप आपस में you discuss and give me one particular solution as a team in which everyone agrees. Just it's over to you now, guys, for one minute.
I think after having the discussion with Mr. Mike, we should still take a strong decision against him because it is not a good thing to do. Like stealing is not a good thing.
Yeah, stealing is
Yeah,
not a good
without
thing, but he is the
discuss.
most efficient employee.
I
Seeing
think
his
Yeah, I
we
I
think
should
agree
efficiency,
that
without
have.
discussion,
having
there should
discussion
not
did
be
work for
any
sure.
strict action.
yes, we should first ask the reason and then see whether
Yeah,
the action is
there should be
required.
a healthy discussion.
Genuine
There,
reason
there
be
should
there.
be a healthy discussion first.
The chance should be given first, at least.
Yeah,
Once
everyone
seeing the
needs the
efficiency.
chance.
Yes, 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 yes.
I think there should be a healthy discussion, and thereafter we can take any action considering the discussion.
Yes, I agree.
The action should not very harsh since it's the first time.
Yeah, we will consider the discussion first. The type of discussion will take place. We'll act according to it.
Yes.
Yes, but we also have.
But other employees will also see that like people can steal from the company and there's nothing.
Yes, I agree. I agree.
Of course, there can be a chance that he has not stolen the speaker. There can be anything, so we have to confirm it first that the speaker is actually stolen by him or not.
In the case, it's written
I
like
think if he
one
is
day
found
he's caught
guilty,
with a stolen speaker.
I believe the point is correct. We should take an action, but it need not to be strict in the first instance, seeing the efficiency. It can be strict
But
later on
we
if he
still have to
repeats.
set an example for other employees not to do such a thing in the future.
Yeah, of course, but we have
So
to
we
make
have to
sure
give
that he have
warning.
stolen the speaker
n-
or not.
We should also see the
What
long-term
no,
if
impact
he
on
no,
the
has been
company.
stealing for
no. If they
several
will
years
set
but we have
example for
known right now?
others, no, it if they will मतलब कि give an example to others कि ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, so it will be so distrustful to the people कि हाँ वो trust करते ही नहीं company के ऊपर. Every
But
time
I
they made a
think
mistake, they
But
no, no, no.
what
Every
if
time
he
they
has
made a
been
mistake,
stealing
they
for
need to give
several years but
example
we
that
have
हाँ you
known
are
right
wrong
now?
here.
and
So
what if
वो पहले wrong है,
he's not stolen? What if
hmm?
the other employees don't know actually he has stolen something?
So there
या
should be a notice
एग्जैक्टली
over
पहले हमें
here.
Yes.
ये
No,
पता करना चाहिए कि
A
उसने स्टील करा भी है कि नहीं. वी हैव डिस
yeah,
उसे
there
उससे
should be
डिस्कस
a
करना
proper
चाहिए कि
discussion.
उसने
Okay, m- मतलब in the end किसी ने तो चुराया है तो मतलब there is some culprit, right? I feel
Yes.
like कि हमारे पास बहुत
या
varying points है. We need some to set our priorities कि हमारी priorities क्या है? To retain him, to set an example. क्या करना चाहते हैं हम? उसके according फिर plan of action करें, नहीं तो बहुत ही conflicting views आते ही रहेंगे.
it should be start from the
या
initial point कि what was the reason why
Agreed.
he stole the
आई
thing,
थिंक सबके
right?
सामने उसको मैम एक वार्निंग पूरे स्टाफ के सामने भी वार्निंग देनी चाहिए उसे.
That would okay.
But
He
Yes,
वो
was
but
इतनी
we
देर
should
से
he
retain
was
him.
working for 6 years, right? And उसको warning दे के सबके सामने it would be so disrespectful for him and the
yes
employees जो उसे
exactly
trust करते थे.
बट
ऐसे तो
आई
But
बट
at
बिलीव
the
कि
end,
एग्जांपल विल बी
उसने
वार्निंग
सर्व.
तो
कंपनी का
तब
सामान चुराया है. That is disrespectful for the firm as well.
और यहाँ पे लिखा कहाँ है कि उसने सामान चुराया
so
है. उसने लिखा है कि एक स्टोलन स्पीकर उसके पास पाया गया है. हमें पहले ये भी तो प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा
Is
कि
caught
उसने
ये
caught का मतलब
अगर
यही
he
होता है
has
कि
So
उसने
caught
we
पाया.
should
हाँ.
set a course of
उसके
actions which we will take, starting with the discussion with
क्वेश्चन
Mike. A healthy discussion. We want to know that has he stolen or has he not. So
या
we'll start with
उसने
that. After that,
या
we'll decide the action. But we should retain him because he's an efficient employee and has been working for such long years in the company.
Okay.
या
So I think very good. I think we had very varying points. That's very good. I think you brought in some very valid points. Some of you, I think Kamalpreet, you mentioned time and again. That's a very relevant point that First, let's check that whether he has actually stolen it. And all of you, I think Chaitanya, Anushka, all of you were quite on track. Everyone, rather, Ishapjeet and all, everyone. Sorry if I didn't name anyone because I think most of you were on track that you were actually going through the depth of it. That's the good way. In a case study, it's not only about like giving the right answer. Now, the whole case study depends on your approach. So if your approach is correct, I think that is one very efficient way. There is no right and wrong answer as such. It is more about the correct approach. So very good. I think that was very interactive, guys. So let's move ahead. Now, as I discussed, so one very important thing in the overview part was the case study, like we just discussed. We'll discuss one more. I think that was quite efficient. I'll give you one more trickier case. That is actually a very relevant one, based if you actually want to go for an MBA. I've worked with a lot of top MNCs, and in MNCs also, if you're going for an interview, so they'll give you a very tricky case. So just to see how your mind works. Uh, Again, self development is very crucial, guys. Now, how will you go for your self development? What areas do we need to pick in that? So, let's just check that. What all can we do? So, importance of profile. So, now five major ways that I have mentioned here. You can just take a note of this if you want. Academics, definitely important. It can be your graduation. Right now, you're studying in your like whatever stream that you are in. Try to maintain as better CGPA as possible or percentage. So that will really help in your MBA days for cracking the main exam. Like because the profile is also checked. It's not about the overall CAT score or GMAT score. So your profile is relevant. Then talking about extracurricular, how many of you actually participate in extracurricular nowadays, like sports and music or anything? Yes, anyone? Kamalpreet does. Okay, can you use the mic and tell me your sports or like music or what area?
Yes, sir, in declamation debates or poetry
Good.
competitions.
Very good, Anushka. Okay. Okay. Who else? Okay, this was Kamalpreet, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone who's a sports in plays sports or something? Okay, Madhav is raised his hand. Madhav, which sports?
Professionally, I play handball,
Okay.
but I like all other sports.
Okay. Okay. So how many of you are out here, the football players or basketball players? Anyone? Okay, there are few of you. Good. So I think that you can actually use in your profile again because it's not only about studies, it's also about extracurricular. So don't come under the impression that if I want to go to a particular MBA college, so only my academics count. So like for PhD and all, I've been giving GMAT and all, so I've qualified a lot of top universities. So not only the score was important, guys. Okay, 700 plus score was important in GMAT, but the problem out there was at the end, profiling is very crucial. What else do you do? Now, the kind of internship and projects you've had. Now, I think you are all young, so I don't think WorkX is there for you. But I'm sure that you might have gone through some projects or something like that. Have you gone through that? Anyone? Can you tell me something about your project? Anyone? Which project you picked? Just the name. So I'll just give you an example. Many of my students, they actually opt for live projects. Do you have an idea what live projects are with companies? So many companies, they are actually offering you a chance of live projects. So it's not like exactly like an internship because you don't need to spend that much time out there. So in internship, what do you need? You need devoted time, like let's say for a 2 months or something. In live projects, they'll just give you a certain task that okay, complete this task within 3-4 months whenever you get the time. So even if you are like studying and busy, but you can actually go ahead and do that project. So these are live projects. It's available with many top MNCs, good companies. That will help you a lot in your profile building, guys. So try to search for certain live projects with companies. If possible, a couple of internship, whether an NGO or a top MNC, that is your choice. But definitely, anyways, it will help you build your profile. Anyone who's actually worked with an NGO till now? Okay. So I think I'll take most of you are from the second year and first year only out here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
okay. Okay, so I think it's still you have time, guys. Try to build up a bit of your profile. Okay, so I think that will really help you. Now let's move to one more case. I think you were very good on the case part. So I'll give you a case. I wanted to give you a very tricky one. I didn't write that, so I'll give you orally. So how many of you know about the IT firms and their functioning? Anyone? Like the top IT firms or the top commercial firms? Yes?
So maybe their job is to give IT assistance to companies, like handling their website, making apps for them.
Okay. So yeah, so I'll give you a case of a very relevant case that happened in US. So considering you are a management, all of you are a management of a financial firm. It's a very top financial firm, like let's say something pretty much as big as the Goldman Sachs and all. So considering you are part of that, now in Bangalore, you have an option of opening up a office. So you have bought the land and all, you got that allocated from the government. But that land happens to come in a place where there is a children park for children to play, and also there's a park. Now, what has happened? The local communities are against your company that you're opening your park out there. Okay, you understand the case? All of you are following? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so I'll
sir.
Yes,
repeat
sir.
again. You are a financial firm opening up an office in Bangalore, but the place where every permission is given by the government and you have bought the place, but the problem is there's a children's park and the local communities are against you now suddenly, against your company that how can you take over the park? Now, as a management, what you are going to do? Will you go ahead with the plan of opening up the office there, or will you give in to the local communities? So I just want to know from you guys. So again, please discuss amongst yourself. 2 3 minutes, you just talk to yourself like you did at the end. Just talk to yourself. Give me a good solution for that. Let's see how your mind works, please. Yes, I hope everyone understood the case.
Sir, can you please
Yes,
repeat the
sir.
case?
Okay. So as I said, you are a financial firm opening up an office in Bangalore. But the place where you're going to open the office, there happens to be a children park there. Now the communities, the local communities are against you opening the office out there. So let's see what do as a management now.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone?
Sir, I think we can
Well,
sort out with the community about this topic.
No,
And
no,
if
sir. I think
possible,
it's
Sir,
there
I
should,
Okay,
So how
sir.
Parimal.
I
can one
think
buy
there
a
should it should be
so
it should be given to the local communities. There is no need
sir, I
of
have a
sir,
building
if
something
question.
here.
possible, sir, if
So
possible,
I
we
think we
can
need to
you
find
do it
some
as
middle
half.
ground.
Okay.
Exactly. So we can keep some part so that we can build a park there, and the rest we can use to build our office.
Yes, sir.
Are we taking over the whole park area or a part of it?
The whole.
so how can one buy the community park which is used for children?
Sir,
That happens, Kamalpreet.
I
That
think
is the
there should
case.
be an
Yeah.
alternative.
Okay.
Sir, I think there should be an alternative because the government can't approve this thing. If there is a local children's park, so it's a government property, and I think it should be in the law कि जो चिल्ड्रंस पार्क होते हैं कुछ भी होता है वो आप किसी मतलब कि प्राइवेट कंपनी या फिर किसी को नहीं अप्रूव कर दे नहीं सकते. It's basically I think it's illegal.
But since the
It's a
government has
metro.
only approved this, so we can do it as half only. That we can make our
There is
building also
there
and
is
promote the company
I
and also
think there is no
sponsor the
I
park
guess
for children.
right I
Sir,
think
I believe
there is
I
no think of like dividing things like आधा park आधा building. There
both
should be
ideas are
one
kind of good.
goal.
मतलब if there is an alternative, we can look into the alternative.
Sir,
अगर
I
मिले तो
get
बहुत ही
a
अच्छा. And the other one was a compromise, right? Well, it honestly depends on the geographical area. We do not have an idea, so we cannot exactly estimate. We do not know the requirements of the bank either. So let's just go that maybe there can be a compromise. Either way, whether we find an alternative or a compromise, I think we should really focus on supporting this public community park as a CSR opportunity to even expand them. So even there, if there is a compromise, we are also benefiting the park by improving it, so people are also happy. And even if we find an alternative, still maybe we can go for the CSR then also, because CSR is never bad, right? We have to go for 2% CSR anyways.
सर कमेटी को अपने कंपनी के शेयर्स दे सकते हैं.
I think there is an opportunity. We can start a children's club over there and can promote our business, and their problem can also be solved.
Okay, good enough. I think I got a lot of points. I think very good. Aryan, Chaitanya, Bhumi, all of you started with complete and all very good. So now coming up to a solution. Now, what's the final solution? So you want to go ahead with the project, or you want to, like you said, half, or what is the final take then as a team? Or should we
So
leave the
both ways
The
only.
company
Promote
can
ourselves
allot.
also
I
and
think
make the
it,
So
children
project.
spark
So
Sir,
also.
first
sir,
we need to
but
find a middle ground.
sir,
If
but I
not possible, then we should see a company has a consumer. Company should compromise with it because it's the community which will support us later.
Okay.
sir, I think so. If the company can provide a land for children to play in the particular area, then it's good that they can open their park, they can open their company there. They can then build their building.
Okay.
We
Okay. So I
can do
think
that. We can go ahead with the building and give 2 or 3 floors for the children's park, like a club or a crèche thing.
It would be so messed up and so can't be managed properly, I guess.
See, business and children's club can't go simultaneously.
Right.
That's the
okay. So I think well enough. I think pretty much divided on this topic. So this topic will definitely take a lot of time if we want to go into the depth. But see, these kind of cases happen. These have happened in US and all a lot many times. Even schools have been taken over like that. So these are something that if the government allocates, now what to do? Because many communities are against it. So this is a very tricky and ethical case also at the same time because somewhere it is against the ethics, but at the same time pro the company. So we have to go in the depth of it. Whether we take the stand of the company or do we go with the community. So it can happen. A very big debate can happen over this. So in most of the cases that happen, actually, eventually the company takes over. But just it can be a very good ethical case. Now let's move ahead. We'll do something based on the aptitude training. So which areas have you? How many of you have actually gone through some reasoning based questions? Divyam has, okay. Who else? Madhav, okay. Aryan, good. Okay, so I think Anushka, you guys have gone through some. Okay, let me give you something based on the VR part. Let's see if we can. Okay, so just to check what verbal reasoning is, if you want to note, just take a quick note. Let's do something based on academics. It's to test one's logic, the reasoning skill. It requires mental alertness, speed, everything. So this is one of the different or a very important area. It's again why I'm showing this, because in all the aptitude exam that you're going to give, reasoning is a very, very relevant section. Even if you want to go and crack some college or like any company also tomorrow. So this is a very important area of your aptitude. Now, anyone knows what an assumption is? It's based a lot on assumption. What is an assumption?
Reassuming things.
Assuming things, exactly. So what does that mean, Pranika? You're good, very good. What do we mean when I say we assume things? What does that mean?
When we predict
That's
future.
a
Having
bit.
a rough idea.
Okay. Yes, Ishaddeep. So
So
basically, it is
having a
something. Yeah, please.
That the facts are not
Exactly.
clear.
Yeah. So Chaitanya, see, it's something like it's not written somewhere. Like in according to the statement, what will I say? What is assumed in a particular? If I write a certain statement, then what is assumed? So something which is not written, but we
Well,
take it for granted. Okay, so
yeah,
you
it's
can just
something that we predict that's maybe true, maybe not.
correct, correct. So this is implied assumption. You can all note this if you want. This is very relevant in the coming questions that we're going to practice a couple of them. So you can just quickly note this down. So it's something like a hidden assumption which cannot be seen but is taken for granted. Done noting, then I'll give you a question based on it. Just give me a yes once you're done noting. I'll move forward, then I'll give you a question based on it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
done.
yes, sir.
Okay. So let me give you a question based on it. Okay. So this is the direction, guys. Just you can take a quick note of this direction. If you want to take a screenshot, you can. What do you need to mark? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 directions. So I'll give you a statement. You have to tell me which of the assumption. There are two assumptions written down. So which of these is actually true or is implicit? Matlab it is hidden. Which is the correct assumption? Either both are, either neither is. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See then. Okay, let me give you a very nice question rather than this. Let me give you a better question. Okay, let's do this one.
So E part,
Yes.
the mark 5, both are
Both.
implicit.
Okay.
Mark
Okay.
5.
Okay. Think, guys, others also I need answers from all. You can use the chat box, guys. I'll view your answers there so that others don't get affected by the answers. So you can quickly write on the chat box. I'll just see. I'll know who gave me what answer. Okay, so I think I've got answers by many of you. Now, see, the first one definitely. Now, what does it say? That entire North India, including Delhi, remained powerless on certain day. Okay, as of this collapse yet again. So, okay, you guys said both are correct, most of you. Now, can anyone support why first is an assumption, which is correct? This is an assumption, but anyone who can support this can tell me why you chose this?
Sir, because it's written in the statement that it has collapsed again.
Good, very good.
Yet again.
Absolutely. I think who gave me the answer, the explanation? It was
Sir,
Kashish. Good, Kashish. Very good. So very well said, very well explained that it's mentioned that it collapsed yet again. So it can easily be assumed that this had collapsed earlier. But now the problem with the second one is there is something wrong in the second statement. There is something that it will not be the assumption. Can anyone take a guess what it is? Who just went with one as the answer? What if there is something wrong in the fifth one, the second statement? Can anyone take a chance? Tell me.
Sir, it seems more like a fact.
Okay, Shivdeep. Okay. Okay, it seems like a fact. And what is incorrect in this? There's some word that is going incorrect.
Sir, there
Ineffective
is
type
no
of
group
power
of
supply
states,
system.
but the
Exams.
entire
Exams.
North India has been affected.
Correct, correct. I think you are on the right track. See, this is saying that it happened on another time. So yeah, so there must be some problem going on. But to say that it is an ineffective type of power supply system, what you're doing, you're becoming very extreme into the assumption. So it has collapsed yet again, I agree, but it is an ineffective type. It's a very strong statement to make. So we cannot assume such heavy stuff. So always remember the assumption should not be very extreme. So this is something you have to take into consideration when you solve such questions. Don't make it very extreme as a statement. You cannot say that if a system collapses once or twice or thrice, that you say, okay, this whole system is ridiculous or ineffective. Okay, there are some flaws, but ineffective is a very strong statement to make. I hope this is clear to all.
Yes,
Answer
sir.
would be one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do one more question, then we'll move to some different area. Just this is very, very relevant in almost all the exams that you're going to go for. Let's do this. Okay, this is an interesting one. This has been asked in many MBA exams earlier, so let's see if you can do this. A similar kind of a question. Anyone?
So first.
First. Good. Okay. Anyone else? I think Aryan marked first, and
So
Anshita,
first.
Arsha.
First.
Very good. Very good. I think now we are on track.
First.
I think you've understood how it's going to function. Can anyone give me a reason why you choose first and not the second? Answer is one. That's correct.
So because in the statement it is written
Because
that you
beam
should get to a specialist doctor.
Okay, Bhuvesh.
That
Okay. So it's said that get your child examined, so definitely they'll be able to diagnose better. But why not the second one? Anyone?
because we may agree with A's advice.
Absolutely. Very good.
Because there is
Absolutely, absolutely. So I think you got the point that we will certainly not agree. So he may agree, may or may not. So both are true. So we cannot again the same thing. Don't make it extreme. We may not agree with this. So let it be both ways. It can go both ways. I hope this is clear to all. how to go ahead with these kind of questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So these are one very important and relevant area, the reasoning section. Now, another area, which is the verbal section. So that is also very crucial in almost all aptitude. Now, what do you think is the most trickiest area in the verbal section? Like, it's a very underplayed section that many of the students get wrong. What do you think? Which are the tough areas according to you in the verbal? So many find, I think, RC tough. RC is reading comprehension or something which is reading based. But the funny thing is, maximum students lose marks in as simple a section as grammar. And I think we all have been studying grammar for, I think, how many years? I think 5, 6 years in your all your elementary education and everything. So I think that is one very relevant area. But still, people go wrong in that. So just to give an example, how many of you can tell how many parts of speech are there?
8.
Very good. So who gave me the answer?
Kashish.
Kashish, yeah. So you remember how many parts of speech? Can you guys just quickly on the chat box write down which are the parts of speech, various parts of speech? That's the most basic question of grammar. Or you can use the mic to speak, which are the 8. Okay, so just till then, I'll give you the part of speech, the various parts of speech that are there. So you can note down also if you want anyone. So these are the various parts of speech. I think very easy if we look and if we can remember these. Now the problem is in exam you might get a question where you just have to identify the part of speech. Now for that at least you should know which of these are there. Like let's do this example. Everyone can see the screen. Okay, Ashneet, you answer good, and Tushar good. So all of you can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so which part of speech is I? You can just speak on the
Pronoun.
mic.
Noun.
Is it a noun?
Pronoun.
Exactly, it's a pronoun. Then ran,
Verb.
very good. Verb. Past,
Adjective.
Adverb.
Adjective.
okay, so what is a fast? Adjective or an adverb?
Adverb.
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 Good. So let's see, what is fast describing out here or modifying?
The
The
speed.
motion running.
Exactly, the running part. So definitely it has to be an adverb because adverb modifies a verb. So I think not an adjective. What is but?
Conjunction.
Good.
Conjunction.
Good. Missed.
Verb.
Very good. The
Article.
very good. I think this is not amongst the part of speech, but it's an article. Now, what is blue line?
Adjective.
Noun. Noun.
Noun.
Okay, noun or an adjective. Okay, what is bus? First, let's do that.
Noun.
No.
Noun. And what is blue line doing? It is describing the bus. So what should it be?
Adjective.
It should be an adjective because it is telling how the
Adjective.
bus is. Okay, describing the noun. What is to?
Preposition.
Preposition.
Good.
Preposition.
And school?
Noun.
Exactly. So I think you can just quickly note those of you who don't know. Now, conjunction you can remember by the word con, connecting. These connect the sentences together. Can you give few more examples?
Because, as, if,
Good,
when.
good. And yet. Okay. So let's move ahead. What is interjection, by the way? This one.
Commas.
So it is a part of a sentence that describes the feeling or emotion of the
Good.
sentence.
Good. So like a last hurray and all, showing the emotions. Very good. So let's go back. I'll just give you one question. It's again being asked in many exams, even in GMAT and all. This question is asked. So tell me the answer to this. There are two blanks. You can write on the chat box so that I can view the answer also. Okay, I want answers from all guys. Let's do this question, all of you. Okay. So let me just now come back. Let's see. I think I've got the answers by most of you. So I'll just see who you answered is answered by most of you, which is absolutely correct. But I think the second part is correct by Shneet, Jaspreet, Smiley, Yashika, Jatin, Anshita. Okay, so only very few were able to tell the second one as correct answer. First one was by Ishapdeep Good. So I think Deep Jose also. So the first one was answered correctly by many of you, but not the second one. So let's just dissect this question now. Firstly, tell me in this sentence who is the subject. I hope everyone knows what the subject is in grammar. The person we are talking about. So who's the subject here?
Everyone.
Very good.
Everyone.
Everyone is the subject. That's perfect. So based on why we require the subject, can anyone tell? I'll because we are short on time, so I'll just tell. Subject is important because the verb as well as the pronoun that follows it has to be based on the subject, whether it is singular or plural. Now, my second question is, which part of speech does everyone belong to? Anyone knows? If the question is asked, which part of speech is everyone? Can you tell me?
Is it a pronoun? I think.
It is a pronoun. Very good. Who answered that?
Ashneet.
Who answered that? Ashneet. Very good, Ashneet. So that
Thank
is
you.
good. It is actually an indefinite pronoun. Okay, so these pronouns, they are indefinite. Why they are called indefinite? Because they are always singular in nature. Okay, we don't know how many people we are talking about. Everyone, no one, anyone. All these things, they come under indefinite pronouns, and these are singular. Now, saying that it is singular, do you want to revise your second answer, anyone? I think many have. Okay. So you get the point, I guess, that why we chose that as if it is singular, so we have to use a singular form of verb was. Similarly, I'll have to go with a singular form of pronoun, the pronoun part, the his or her, the possessive pronouns. I hope this is clear to her.
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You just have to take a note whether the subject is singular or plural. So please note that this is very relevant, comes in most of the exams. And if you choose there out here, then it will be incorrect. Okay, so I think we are done with this. And then there are lots of parts of speech. Another question, just a question for you. What is a metaphor, anyone?
When we compare something to
Poetic
some other thing
without using the words like or as.
Very good. So you remember. And what is an oxymoron?
When two different opposite things are mentioned in a sentence,
Good,
which are
Dheeraj.
opposite to each other.
Can you give an example?
Like the fat guy ran very fast.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's fine. That happens. Okay. But this one, as you said, the fat guy ran very fast. It's more of we can say a paradox or something. So oxymoron, better example is two conflicting words. Like if I say found missing, so whether I found it or it is missing, so that is something that we can call it as a oxymoron. Two similar sounding words. Okay, so two opposite words. Okay, now I think we are done with it. Just the last thing, I just wanted to share this with you guys. There's some scholarship test on 30th and 31st. Anyone who wants to, you can contact this particular number. So you can just take a screenshot if you want, and just let me know once you're done noting, so that we'll move with the revision part then, and we are done with the session. Just revise what we did today. Done noting, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you want to build up your aptitude and all these areas, and I think there's a lot of scholarships going on, so you can take a note of this number. You want to explore, you can. And I think then we are done. We'll just take a quick revision of what we did today. This one is clear, right? Done noting, guys, all of you? Okay, so let's do a quick revision of what we did. So I think a few steps that we did today. One was the part where we talked about the stuff where it's important to understand how the case works. So I think you all were clear that we worked on the case in a way the approach mattered and not the exact end solution. Now we did a couple of questions on verbal reasoning. So what is an assumption? Anyone knows, remembers? Yes, guys, what is an assumption?
Assuming things.
Something taken for granted
Good.
or supposed.
Or suppose. Okay, it's taken for granted. Okay, in my second question, we did something on the parts of speech, guys. So can you tell me what does an adverb modify?
Verb.
Okay, verb. Good. Actually, it also modifies two other things. We didn't discuss that time. Does anyone know what are the other two stuff that it modifies? Yes, anyone? Okay, it also modifies an adjective. It also modifies an adverb, but that we can discuss in the further sessions if we go through. So adjective and adverb also it modifies. Okay, can you give me 3 examples of a conjunction?
And but if.
Okay, what else? Okay, my last question. Because and okay. Now my last question, which part of speech does everyone belong to?
Indefinite pronoun.
Exactly. And what were the thing we discussed, that is it singular or plural?
Singular.
Okay, so I think just keep that in mind. So these are some very important tips that I just gave you. You'll get these kind of questions in many exams, so that might help you. And I think then we are done. I think, and just part like build on your profile, guys. Work on your aptitude. Okay, try to do something as a live project or a internship. I think that will work. Any other questions you guys have? So first of all, I'd like to say it's very interactive. It was as a session, guys. Very good. You all are very interactive. So I think that really keeps up the spirit of the class. So I think all the best for your future. I know everyone will do very well. All of you were very interactive today, and your minds were pretty sharp on many cases. So all the best. Take care. And now, if anyone has any doubt, please you can ask. Others, I think I'm done with the session. Ma'am, would you like to, Isha, ma'am? And any doubts anyone has, I'm still here. You can ask now, please. And all
Yes,
the best.
so the house is open for the queries now. So if you want to ask something, you may unmute yourself and ask about the same, or you may write it in the chat box.
So where we can find about the live projects done by companies?
Okay, so Anushka, this is something many of these companies they come up time and again with the live project. So one thing is if you want to apply, you can apply on these various portals like these days. I think Naukri and all these portals are there for job finding. So they also find internships and live projects for you. That's the most I think easiest way. Otherwise, you are associated with some professional services or like some places where you have contacts. Otherwise, this is the best area.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Anushka. So you can use anything like Naukri or Shine.com or anything. These all these portals help. Any other questions? Okay, so I had one student. He recently got a very good live project with Apple, rather with Apple. So it's very rare. So he just had to promote some of their brands like HomePod and all, which really doesn't work well. So he was just promoting that. So even that is something that students are going to. You can even get a live project in one of the top firms like Samsung. These phone companies are giving a lot of live projects. So just you have to promote their certain stuff.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions, guys? Otherwise, you can leave if you want. I think I'm done with the session, ma'am, Isha ma'am. Okay, all the best and very, very well spoken, all of you. So take care. All the best, guys. Take care. And any doubts you have now, please, others can leave accordingly. I think. Okay, you're welcome, all of you. Thank you, Parnika.
So I would like to thank you on behalf of Sri Aurobindo College of Commerce and Management. We are grateful that you spared some of your time from your schedule to enlighten us with your words of wisdom. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome, Ishabdeep. Thank you so much for the kind words.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much,
sir.
sir, for sparing the time for our
Okay.
students. It was indeed a very interactive session.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, you're welcome, all of you. Thank you for the wishes, guys. Parnika, Vansh, Yukti, Muskan, okay. You're welcome, all of you. Take care. Okay, so I think no one has any more doubts. So I think we'll end the session, ma'am, then. Okay, Kamalpreet, you're welcome. Thank you.